Hello everyone, welcome to our today's tutorial. If you're new here, karibu sana and kindly consider subscribing. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this beautiful pom-pom for beanie hats. So let's get into the video. What we need for this project: some yarn, we need a pair of scissors, and we need two equal cardboard rings. You can achieve this size using a small size glass, and their diameter is measuring 7 centimeters. So cut some strand of yarn and place them in between the middle and ring finger as shown in the video. We're going to work with double strands. So wrap them around your 4 fingers as shown in the video. For your pom-pom to be firm and puffy, you need to make so many rounds as possible. So in this video, I'm going to make 75 rounds. So I'll keep on wrapping around my 4 fingers until I achieve 75 rounds. So this is what I have. At this point, you're going to make a knot using the strands we placed in between the fingers. So pull it to tighten, not so tight. Then remove your pom-pom from the fingers. Then turn on the other side and make another knot. So using a pair of scissors, go through this space and cut this yarn. like this, and do the same on this other side. So this is what we have at this point. We are going to trim. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe. If you haven't, give this video a like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, bye.